Kat, and this video is another Treat Yourself Tuesday. In this video, I'm going to be focusing specifically on my feet and legs and what I'm doing to pamper the skin in those areas. I am definitely a bit of a workaholic, so it's always difficult for me to take time for myself, but I definitely feel it when I don't take care of my feet, as we all do. Trying to fall asleep, they're catching on your sheets, it's terrible. So you gotta take care of your feet. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity. Check out my podcast at MDXpods.com. And if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
This video is sponsored by Iridesi. They are the ones who sent me this 8-in-1 pedicure tool that I will be using. Be sure to check out the description for a link to this as well as a coupon code. It has removable plates you can switch out to get different textures and do different things to your skin. To start, I used this one that had a pretty rough grit. I used the harder grit ones in the beginning because that will remove the outer layer of hard skin, and then you can work your way down to something that's a little bit finer, like this one. This also has holes in it so that the skin can be pulled away from your foot and it doesn't make a big mess, which I really like. Then I used this scraping tool on any cuticle that was left behind on my nails, and after that I used my Salt Glow scrub from Skin and Apothecary. I really like using a salt scrub on my legs before I shave because it removes any dead skin, and then the oil will also help you get a really nice close shave. So I scrub my legs, then I rinse that off, and then after that I used my razor. I do use a men's razor right now. I don't like paying more for a pink razor. It's kind of pointless. The first thing I like to shave is my shins, and then I move around to my calves, and after that I get the backs of my knees while holding my foot up to make sure that that skin is pulled taut back there. The main thing I try and do is prevent any creasing on the area that I'm actively shaving. So when I get to my knees, I will usually do a circular pattern around the largest area of the knee, and then I will go sideways, upside down, whichever direction is going to get me into those crevices without having to drag the razor over a really sharp bone sticking out. And to get certain parts of the knee, you can't really avoid the bone. So what I like to do is basically just pull the skin over to one side so that it's flat across the top of the kneecap or the patella, and then I shave that flat area. And then after that, I will do my thighs. Once I got out of the bath, I went over my toenails with some nail polish remover to get rid of any residue, and then I went back in with that same scraping tool and made sure to get around the edges of the nail. After that, I used my Mamonde Narcissus Flower Cream. This absorbs super quickly into the skin, and I really love this on my feet especially because it gives such a nice plumping action before I move into doing any dirty work on the nails. I make sure to pull any random toe hairs, which we all have them. Sometimes they're a little bit weird, so I just pull them out. And then after that, I trimmed the nails and went in with this file. It's a folding file that has a rough file on one side and then a buffer on the other. So I like to go over any rough patches on my nails that might interfere with the smoothness of the polish, and then I go back in with that buffing side and buff out the nail bed before I begin polishing. I used OPI in the color Grin and Bear It. I did 2 coats of this, and that is my whole routine for my feet and legs to keep my skin nice and soft and ready to be out and seen for spring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.